Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp, and today we are in Walgreens. Today is actually Friday, guys. I did not get a chance to do my 3 scenario Thursday because I was so swamped with work that I needed to do. But I am getting it out to you all today. Now you will see a clip on to the video because actually the ending of my video I got, but not the beginning of the video. That distorted in some type of way, so I just left it alone. I could not go back and do another video. But hey, hit like, subscribe, share my channel, and come on and shop with me today. We got a $5 budget, 2 $4 register rewards, 1 $3 register reward, 1 $2 register rewards, and we got like 29,000 points. But of course, you all know I like to do the $5 budget, and then after that, I'm done. So let's go. Okay. We're going to get up here in Walgreens and see what's going on. You all know I got a mask on and a filter on my phone, so bear with me, guys. Okay. Oh, all the lipstick gone. We got one of these left. So I'm going to grab one of these, $2.99, and see if this gives us some overage. Okay, so you know all of the lotion, all of that is over here, and I am looking for CeraVe. So let's see if we got it. What's this? 15 bucks worth though. Okay, let's see. Where is it at? So I wanted the little, but I don't see it. So we might have to go to okay, so orange tags, what's that one? Oh, who is that? Milani. So we are basically looking at orange tags, guys. I am trying to see what we got. Oh, here we go. $2.99 for Sally Hansen. Now next week it'll be a deal on them, so watch it, guys. But I think we do have a coupon clipped to there. Sally Hansen, $149. There it is. So just watch it. Okay, so yesterday I picked up the 2 secrets. That was 2 for $10. And so I will grab 2 of these. That's what we're gonna get. And of course, you know you get the $3 back, the $4 back, and you have a $4 off 2 coupons. Okay. Now, we also are doing the, well, let me see. So with the Dove, it's buy one, get one free. And the other one is 50% off, plus 50% off. So you should get a good deal out of that one. So I'm going to grab the, this got to be men's though. So let me see all the way to Dove. Oh, they got the Dove locked up, Lord have mercy. So let me get one Dove, 2, and then let me see if they got men's Dove, because if they don't, then I don't want the other Dove. They do, they have men's, the bar soap, so I want to grab 2 of these. Are you serious? I gotta call somebody to get this for me. You have to call customer service for the Dove for the men's. This is crazy, right? There must be thieves over here, because I ain't never saw nothing like it in my life. So, okay, so this is a completely different Walgreens I've ever been in. Like, they literally, that stuff it's crazy. It's locked up. So, okay, so I got that. Okay, you all know the deal. Buy one, get one free, and then 50% off. So you should come out paying $7. But I do have a register reward that I'm going to use. Now, I did do some more deals about the tissue. Like I said, you will see a connection video. And you're going to see where I bought the tissue at. The tissue, you saw me buy some more CoverGirl. You saw me buy some, a lip. I think I got a lip or an eye in there. But this gave overage the other day. And that's what you want. You want to see. I'm going to see if it's going to give me overage today. but it's $3, so they probably just put it in at 3. Now, look at your dollar off thing. Remember when I told you, Ajax? It's going to always be $1 from now on. Always. Because they got it off in the dollar off section. Then they got home stuff. Now, in here, if you got $3 worth of this, $20 worth, you get $3 register reward. And I also bought a tissue. There was buy one at $4, get one for 50% off. I bought these yesterday and I paid using register rewards. So monitor the register rewards because you do get a and a detergent is on the bigger aisle, which is nice. Okay. See, you have a coupon for that. So that's a good deal. All the school supplies coming back out again, so get ready. Yay, time for y'all to go to school. And I use these as fillers all the time, so be prepared to use those as fillers next week sometime. Oh, they got tons of Tad. Oh, wow. Oh, feel good to see that. This is a new store. I don't really like this one. Oh, what orange tags? $11 for a drink holder cup. $19 for pantyhose. $7, $12. Oh, they don't come for $1.99. Let's see what that is. Wow. Let's see. Energizing Ultra Sheer Pantyhose for women. Whoa. Okay. I hope they don't get mad I can't get that back. And I can't get it back because it's a lot. Okay. So, remember I found all of the dollar stuff. Here, we don't have none this week over here. Okay. Oh, we got a coupon for this Allerlife Wellness Support Sleep. And it's energy. And let's see what else I got. $15. Whoa, clear to 32. Is that crazy? It's $2.99 for the dye free. So it's a lot of orange tags over here. And the food part, 11, 3. Look at this, y'all. Zyzel for $6.99. If you got that $4 coupon, that's a good deal. Let's see. Now they Advil still $2.49. Remember, I got that one for 99 cents. So I didn't get the Allerlife because I cannot do. Oh look, 89 cents for the cough drops. That's a good deal. Those 89 cents. Okay, I'm not gonna get them because Hall should be having another coupon come out soon, and I can get them at the Dollar Tree for 50 cents. So just be mindful that you can get a lot of it at the Dollar Tree for 50 cents. Don't go and run and get it. And look, that's 69 cents for chapstick. Okay, so we down a tissue aisle. Now this place actually got a lot of little stuff. They have a lot of supplies. Lots of them. So this might be a store I can frequent. But let's see, let's get ready to check out. Okay, some more orange tags. Let's see, it's 69 cents. Ropes candy, I guess it was 69 cents. Oh, here's another one of these, but don't have a tag on it. Glow. That ain't. Nah. That's. Oh, look at that. $5.79. 50% off. $4.79. Let me see. Oh, what's $2.49? Blue Dye Marine Sea Salt something. I don't know how much though. Something was 34 cents. Can't wait. All the folders. And these are $1.49, not worth it. Okay, so let's go check out. Let me get the coupons ready. Okay guys, that video might have been a little muffled because the music was up loud, but like I told you, hey, whichever way I can get the video done. Now you saw me point to things that I had picked up. I told you to stay tuned. It's going to be a connection to this video and you're going to see the deals I got on the other stuff. But I came back, I wanted some more Dove. I've been getting a lot of requests from people who buy bundles from me for Dove. So I need to burn all of those coupons actually. So you know, it's buy one get 150% off. Then we had a coupon buy a one ladies dove get a men's dove for free. So that took us down to, see that? And then it took it off $6. Then I used the $4 registry reward, and then it was $5.71. I paid $5 in registry rewards and got back 2,000 points. Plus, I got this back, and then I got, look at that, Dove giving $1 coupon out on the men's stuff. So now you could go back, double dip, and use that. So, guys, stay tuned for the connection because it's a glitch in there. That, oh, they didn't let me get the makeup. I guess they figuring it out. So, if you got the CoverGirl coupons, though, go try on the makeup that's clearance item. It was giving us overage. So that is a good overage if you can get it. I got it yesterday. So watch the video and see it. Thanks, guys. Bye. Hi, guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Count. Well, this is the continuation from Walgreens earlier. I had a couple of snags with this deal. First of all, you're looking at outside. This is like my patio. It need cleaning, so don't judge me. But you're going to see 4 deals here. Only the 3 went right. This one did not, and I forgot my secret for this one, but I did this secret deal twice. I did it over here also, but let me show you what happened, because this, don't be afraid to scrap a deal. Okay, of course, you know, if you buy 3 ties, you get a $5 registry reward. And then I also bought 2 of the secrets, right, which you were supposed to get a $4 registry reward. Neither one I'm printed. Neither one. Okay, they did not print for me. Now, I really got pissed because the guy said, oh, well, the machine haven't been printing the registry rewards all day. Then you should have told me that, and I wouldn't have did it. I said, so now I either want my points or I'm going to scrap the whole deal. So she came out, gave me 5 on this one, then said, I got to give you the other 4,000 points on another one because they don't want us to put it on the whole car. Excuse me. So, you know, my little newbie car, I let her put the 4,000 points on it. I don't think I'm going to do this again. So, for these 3, plus the secret that I had on there, all the rewards attached, the $4 for the secret, then the time, and I did 10 out of 10 in points, and I made and I paid $6.97 out of pocket. So I started off with 42,000 points. See that I redeemed 10,000 and then 32. But she had to give me those 5,000 points back plus the 4 on another card. Bull crap. I was pissed about that. So I'm done with that deal. Now, this deal right here, tissue, of course, you know it's buy one get 150% off. The only thing I did different with this deal, guys, was I paid in points. See that? And I paid $1.54 out of pocket. But it printed me out my birthday slip. Yay, happy birthday next month to me. And then it gave me a 6 off 30, which I'm going to probably use somewhere. Okay, so those was for the 2 tissues. Now, the pop socket was 99 cents. So I went on ahead and got that. But do you all remember when I grabbed these? I had like 6 of them. Then I had like 6 other shadows. She wouldn't let me get them. She didn't know how to read the coupons. Whoever this girl was in another Walgreens would not let me do it. So I scrapped that deal. I said, okay, I'm fine. I won't do it. I put back everything because I was going to also use this coupon for the batteries that we found. Remember? She wouldn't let me do that. So I just went on ahead and got my little stuff and left. Now, this deal right here. Remember, these was $2.99 and you get a half off the other one. Because right now, CoverGirl is buy one get 150% off. Plus, we got the $3 coupons. Okay, now do you see that? See the half off? I got these with it just to see if this working. Because I'm going to show you something if it is. Guys, she put both the $3 on there. Totaled it to 47. She let me use the rest of the money as overage. So y'all already know I'm going to grab some more of this stuff, right? Soon as I can. So I end up getting one of these. This come from the second secret deal I done. And I got another one of these. So I got 1, 2, 3 of those. Plus I made $4 off it. Was I okay with this deal? I was okay with it. But this right here really upset me. Watch it when you do this type of stuff. Be mindful that people don't know how to read the coupon. And that's why I tell you, learn how to read the coupon. It's very important, guys. That's why I say know your coupon lingo. Watch videos. Do whatever you got to do to learn these coupons. Thanks for tuning in. Hit Ivy's Coupon Count back up. Hit like, subscribe, share. And remember, this is buy one, get one 50% off. If you got somebody in there that's putting the entire coupon through, we getting overage, baby. Now I'm going to try to do these a couple of times before this deal run out. See ya.